Hello, this is a brief tutorial that demonstrates how to copy unit assessments for Grade 4 Exploratory Music from Performance Matters into Schoology courses. These assessments were created by BCPS elementary instrumental music teachers and will facilitate tracking of student mastery of unit concepts as well as inform instructional decisions. For this tutorial, you will need access to Schoology from within one of your exploratory music courses. Let's take a look at the goals for this presentation. Our goal for this presentation is to set up and publish Performance Matters unit assessments in Schoology so that we can effectively administer these assessments to our students. This will set the stage for data analysis in Performance Matters, which will be the focus of another presentation. In the past year, at the secondary level, the Office of Performing Arts has worked with secondary department chairs to increase their capacity to select and analyze data within their departments with several tools with the goal of tracking important instructional outcomes. In looking at the relative usage of the system for exploratory music, which is currently the only performing arts assessment in Performance Matters, and given the superintendent's renewed focus on shared decision-making based upon data, we are now working with teachers at all levels to consider what their data are and how these data drive instruction. The Performance Matters system allows for data analysis from a wide perspective, including the question, individual student, class, school, and district levels of data. This allows for broad perspective when thinking about student achievement. Performance Matters is a very powerful tool that allows for assessment creation, administration, and data analysis all within one framework. This slide displays a few of the options available to teachers. There are 5 exploratory music unit assessments in the Performance Matters system, and they are listed on this slide along with their ID numbers. All of them are live for the 2024-25 school year, and test windows are set to all year to allow teachers access to them throughout the year as their carts rotate. An expectation of the office is that elementary instrumental music teachers administer all 5 of these assessments during the 2024-25 school year. To add an assessment, click the Add Materials drop-down menu and click Add Common Assessment. This will cause a window with a list of available assessments to pop up. The next window lists available assessments and allows you to select from many assessments. In the upper left corner is the search feature where you may search for assessments by subject area or assessment ID number as listed on a previous slide. Select the assessment you want to assign and click Add to Course. The assessment will now appear in your Schoology course as pictured here. The assessment is not yet assigned to students. The next slides show you how to enable your assessment and grading. Before you make your assessment visible to students by publishing it, you will need to set up your grading parameters. To accomplish that, click on the gear on the right side of your assessment, then click Edit. This is the screen that you will see after you have clicked Edit. Under the Custom Parameters category, click the box next to Enable Grading. From there, set up the way that you want to grade the assessment, and then click Save Changes at the bottom of the box. Note, grading should align with your school's grading practices, which, for the 2024-25 school year, will be on the 100-point scale. The assessment is now ready to be published. When you are ready to release the assessment to your students, click the gear on the right side of the assessment in your course and click the Publish button, which is the second item in the drop-down menu. Your assessment is now live. If you have successfully published your assessment, this is what your students will see. They can then click Start and take the assessment. This has been a brief tutorial on copying exploratory music unit assessments from the Performance Matters system into Schoology courses. For assistance and support, please contact Brian Schneckenberger, Instrumental Music Specialist, using the information above. Have a great year.